Kung galing ka sa BPO or nasa BPO ka ngayon at gusto mo na sana maging freelancer pero medyo nahihirapan ka mag-transition, I might be a good mentor. Si Queen dito, ang dami na daw niyang in-applyan as a freelancer. Tagal na siya sa BPO, hindi pa rin siya makahanap ng client as a VA. There are a lot of factors na pwedeng nakaka-apekto. Number one, ano ba yung hinahanap mo na role? Ano yung ginagamit mo na selling point para maka-transition ka na to freelancing? Yung mga target market na clients mo? If these are some of the things na hindi mo pa nako-consider and you're applying as a general virtual assistant, then let me help you out. 8 years ako sa BPO nung mag-transition ako to freelance. I started, part-time lang talaga yung kinukuha ko ng work. But 2011, that's when I took that huge leap of faith. Literal na isang buwan ako na halos walang tulog kasi nag-start na akong mag-cleaning as a real estate virtual assistant. Real estate virtual assistant ay isang virtual assistant na nag-a-assist sa mga realtors, investors, wholesalers, property flippers, even Airbnbs. So, ito yung mga businessmen na nag-i-invest sa mga properties at pagkatapos ay either ibebenta nila or paparentahan nila para maka-ROI sila dun sa investment nila. Ang isang real estate virtual assistant, pwedeng magkaroon ka ng voice, non-voice, or hybrid na position. I have experience from pre-selling and pre-marketing up until post-closing because I was able to service na different clients as a real estate virtual assistant since 2011. Mahirap siya pero masaya. Alam ko, nakakapagod ng mag-calls kasi galing ka na nga sa BPO at gusto mo maging freelancer, gusto mo ng non-voice. Pero one thing that you need to consider is bilang real estate virtual assistant, hybrid position siya, which means possible na mag-calls na kaya mo naman kasi may experience ka sa BPO. Tapos, ando na rin yung parang perks na offline ka or non-voice kasi you would be doing administrative work. If you want to enroll, click nyo lang yung link sa profile ko. For live training from someone who has the experience sa inyong pag-transition to freelancing, then I'll see you at the classroom. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home.